are still figures left to collect. I'm going to buy more career figures. Costume designer. Let's learn about new professions. Driver. Let's put it together. Parking lot. Truck. Bus. The driver has great driving skills. Some can transport goods, while others can carry people. Let's experience it together. Which vehicle do you want to choose? Truck. I'm Kiki, the truck driver. This is the work we need to complete today. Let's get to work. Before we go, let's have the vehicle checked. The license plate is fine. The tire is fine. Uh-oh, the rearview mirror are dirty. Wow, the rearview mirrors are so shiny. The vehicle has a full tank. Great! The maintenance is finished. Let's load it up. Drag the goods into the vehicle. Great! The loading is done. Fasten your seatbelt and get ready to go. Drive the truck to deliver goods. We have to avoid the obstacles on the road. To our destination. Help me unload the goods. Well done! See you next time! I'm so happy to be of help to you all! Wow! Here are the coins from my hard work! This profession is so interesting!